welcome back. I'm Rajeshri. Today we are here at Godrej Vanantara, located off Bannerghatta Road in South Bangalore. This project is spread across 36 acres with 14 high-rise towers. Now let's go explore a 4 BHK model flat of Godrej Vanantara. As you enter, this will be your spacious, well-designed foyer area. This works as a perfect transition to your living room. Moving ahead, we step into the living room. It feels bright, spacious and comfortable. This large layout allows for a comfortable sitting arrangement, while the space also feels spacious. Right next to your living area will be your dining area, thoughtfully positioned to make everyday life more convenient. Right opposite to your dining area will be your kitchen right here. It has ample amount of space for all your storage and utensils, and it also comes with a spacious, huge utility area. Utility area also connects to your maid's room, which comes with attached washroom, and it also has a separate entrance to outside which protects your privacy. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. This is our first bedroom that we'll be checking out. So this is the first bedroom. It's quite spacious. It has ample amount of space for your wardrobe, and also the huge windows makes the whole place look brighter. There will be your other 2 rooms, and this way is your common washroom. This way is your third bedroom, comes with attached washroom, and this room is also quite spacious, and the huge windows makes the whole room look brighter. And you can see it has enough space even after keeping a huge bed and wardrobe. There is also your study area where you can keep your study setup. Now this is our master bedroom. It's designed for maximum comfort and privacy. It also comes with attached balcony, which is spacious and which makes the whole room feel brighter and lighter. The space feels luxurious with its elegant design and interiors. This is your spacious vanity area. It's also connected to your washroom. The attached washroom is beautifully finished with premium fittings and modern styling. This is a spacious and the biggest balcony. It comes with wooden flooring, and it has ample amount of space to sit with your family and enjoy some good quality time. Right next to your living area, this is your 4th bedroom. You can easily turn this into a guest bedroom. It has huge windows for light and ventilation, and also comes with attached washroom. The room is versatile for guests, parents, or even as a multi-purpose room depending on the family's needs. If you are interested in this project, contact Homz N Space, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram.